Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery, and in today's video, I want to share with you exactly what you're going to need to do in 2021 to quit porn forever and ultimately rewire your brain. And I'm going to explain those as two different things because ultimately I do believe that quitting porn and rebooting and rewiring your brain are two different things, and a successful recovery, successful removing this habit out of your life is going to be comprised of both of these. So I'm going to share with you a high-level strategy, tactics to complete both of these and make 2021 the year that you change your life and finally step into the man that you were created to be. But before we get into today's video, guys, let me remind you who we are and what we do here. My name is Frank Rich, CEO, founder, and head coach at Rebuilt Recovery, and it is our mission to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Now, we do that in a handful of different ways. First off, right here on the Rebuild Your Life YouTube channel, we are releasing new videos every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. So if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there and also turn those post notifications on so you are notified every single time a new video is released. And secondly, for you guys that are in the early stages of identifying some of the problems that porn has had on your life and are curious about what life could look like for you once you've been able to remove this destructive habit out of your life, make sure to download our free ebook after today's video, guys. It's a 7-step guide to living life without porn, where we walk you through the exact process that we use with our students and clients here at Rebuilt Recovery on how to identify a lot of the areas in which porn is negatively impacting you and holding you back from stepping into the life that you were created to live. How to then take that and build a successful and proactive plan to get yourself out of pornography and rewire your brain. But then ultimately, what do you need to do to hold yourself accountable, execute upon this plan, and find the discipline and willpower to make this thing actually become a reality? So that's a 7-step guide to living life without porn. I'm gonna link it down there in that first pinned comment below. So after today's video, guys, make sure to visit that page and download the free ebook. Now let's get back to today's video, guys. How can you quit porn forever and then rewire your brain and make 2021 the most amazing year of your life? So I'm going to break down the quitting porn first, and then we're going to get into the rewiring or the rebooting of your brain. Because like I said, guys, I do believe that these are different battles. These are different things that we need to accomplish. Because if you just quit porn, but you don't rewire your brain, if you just quit porning, but you don't reboot who you are, you're constantly going to be white knuckling. You're constantly going to be relying on discipline, on willpower. And this is a recipe for disaster. Because if all you're doing is relying on sheer force, sheer willpower to not look at pornography, ultimately you're too weak of a man. You're a human. I'm here not to degrade you. I'm here not to knock you down. But we all have temptations and triggers. And if we don't change the chemistry, if we don't change the wiring in our brain, ultimately we're going to fall back into the same patterns and habits that held us captive for years. So let's first address quitting porn. I really think this is the most simple thing that we could do. Because once we've identified that it's a problem, getting it out of our life is just a matter of taking responsibility. So what do you need to do to remove porn from your life? Well, first you need to decide and commit that you're ready to make a change. Because if you ultimately don't make a decision and then actually commit to it, not just the idea of, oh, this would be a really good idea, not just the thought of like, oh, what could it potentially be, but a full-on commitment and decision. Most people don't know what this ultimately means because they don't do the things that they say they're going to do. They don't follow through on the promises that they make to themselves. This is why we talk so much about the importance of establishing habits and routines and keeping the promises that you make to yourself. That's how your self-confidence is built and kept. So the first thing you're going to do if you're going to remove pornography from your life, it sounds simple and easy, but you got to make the true commitment and decision that you're going to take the steps that you need to take to quit. The next step, and this is where a lot of people fail in this journey, and this is what we actually uncover in week 1 of our students in our coaching. So I'm giving you guys an inside look at what we teach our clients here. The first thing you need to do is identify, once you've committed and decided, you need to then identify, how has porn negatively impacting you? How has porn trickled over into other areas of your life? You made the decision, you made the commitment, you know it's wrong, but how has that wrong actually negatively impacted you? Do you see the concept here? If you're going to improve your life, if you're going to build strategies, if you're going to build habits to replace pornography, you got to know where the negative impact has occurred. So once you've committed and decided that you're ready to make a change, identify the areas in which porn is negatively impacting you. And if you're struggling to think about some areas, how is it impacting your work? How is it impacting your thoughts? How is it impacting your career? How is it impacting your body? How is it impacting your relationship? How is it impacting your confidence? How is it impacting your ability to get the things done? Guys, that's 8 things right there. And I can tell you, if you're watching this video, 6 of them are impacted just because you're here. Okay, so that's so this is challenging because we don't want to look ourselves in the mirror. This is challenging because we don't want to actually tell ourselves what's wrong with us. But this is a part of the process. So once you've committed and decided that you're ready to make a change, then identify how porn has negatively impacted you. And then when we build a plan, which will become in the rewiring phase, then we build the plan, we actually know what we're trying to accomplish. Once you've identified where porn had negatively impacted you, and then you're in the process of building a plan, the next thing you need to do is recruit some accountability and support into your inner circle. This can look like a coach, a therapist, a pastor, a counselor, a best friend, some accountability software. Down there in the description, I'm gonna put Covenant Eyes. We have a free month trial where this is literally a software that you assign an accountability partner to, and they get reports on a daily basis of sites that you visited. But you gotta recruit a team. You gotta get people on your side walking this walk with you. So that can be accountability or support or a community. I really think that all 3 are what makes the most effective plan. So as well as linking down below there for the Covenant Eyes, I'm gonna invite you to join our Rebuild Your Life Facebook page. This is something we're putting a lot of effort and growth into 2021, really making it a safe, open, and vulnerable place for guys like you and myself to really share our struggles and walk this same walk together. And then once you've done all that, once you've decided and committed to the plan, once you've identified the process or you identified how it's negatively impacted you, you've recruited some accountability, you have a plan of what you're gonna do. The next thing is, brother, don't give up. Have faith and belief in yourself that you can actually make this thing a reality, because ultimately it's on you. Once you've identified that porn is a problem, once you've identified where it's negatively impacting you, it's now on you to take ownership and responsibility and get yourself out of it. There's nobody else that's going to be willing to do that for you. You can no longer use the excuse. If you've done the first few steps, if you've done the actual step of identifying where it's impacted you, you can no longer use the excuses. Oh, I didn't know I had a problem with pornography. Oh, I didn't know where it was negatively impacting me. Oh, I wasn't clear on how this was actually holding me back. Once you've done that first step of identifying it, then it's on you, brother. You now know exactly where the negative impacts are. Who do you think's gonna get you out of there? Now, getting some coaching, getting some accountability, getting support, recruiting your friends, getting a team of people that are gonna hold you up and lift you up is an important part here. But ultimately, it lies on you. It lies on your hands. So have faith and belief in yourself. But ultimately, if you're gonna quit porn forever, you just gotta not give up. Okay, so we've addressed all that. That's how you quit porn. You decide and commit. You identify the areas in which it's negatively impacting you. You then build a wall around yourself. You recruit some accountability and support and get some people on your team. Have faith and belief in yourself that you can actually do it, whether or not you tried and failed before. Okay, I don't want to harp on what we haven't been able to do. Let's keep our eyes painted on the future. Let's keep our eyes directed at the aim of where we're trying to go. Just have faith and belief that this is actually possible and don't give up. Now, that's quitting porn. We want to talk about rewiring our brain, because I think that's actually the more important part, the more important message here. Because quitting porn, like I said, it's easy. But if you don't change who you are, if you don't rewire the chemistry in your brain, if you don't become the man that is no longer addicted to porn, ultimately you're going to turn back to your old patterns. You're going to turn back to your old patterns of behavior. So how do we rewire our brain? Well, the first thing we have to do is we have to make a plan. This ties into quitting porn, but the plan needs to be bigger. It needs to be bigger than just removing porn from our life. We've done a dozen videos on this point on proper goal setting and how this actually resets our reward system. So we've taken a look at our life of where it's negatively been impacted. Work, career, relationships, fitness, finances, all these different areas. We then need to build plans. We need to make goals in those areas of our life. If porn has held us back in our fitness journey, let's set a physical goal that we could aim towards in the next 4 to 6 months. If it's impacted us financially, let's set a career goal that we can work towards and aim in the next 6 months to a year. If it's impacted our ability to create meaningful relationships and impactful connections, let's set some relationship goals that we can work on and achieve towards in the next 6 months to a year. And here's the kicker. When you actually are going and creating these goals, and when you're actually building these plans, it's not just about dreaming about the life that you could create in the future. It's then taking that vision and breaking it down into an actionable plan. Actionable steps that you can take today tomorrow, next week, and the week thereafter. And once you have that plan, it's on you to show up that day, execute upon it. And here's the amazing part. When you actually do what you said you're gonna do and acknowledge yourself for it, boom, you get a kick of dopamine. Boom, your brain starts to change because you are now becoming the person that completes the things that he says he's gonna do. So the first step in rewiring your brain is making a plan, making goals, and then working towards those goals and acknowledging yourself when you achieve them. Thirdly, I think we need to learn. We need to use our brain for actually what it was created for, which is the acquisition of new ideas, new thoughts, new learning skills. Okay, we've sat in front of the computer for however long. Our brain has been consuming garbage. It's been consuming trash, for lack of a better word, for however many years you've been consuming porn. That's not what it was designed to do. So we want to start injecting it with good materials. We want to start injecting it with good content. We want to start injecting it with materials that are going to force us to stretch, are going to force us to grow, are going to force us to create new neural pathways and new neural connections in our brain. Our brain is plastic, which literally means that it is going to continue to change and evolve over time. So look at learning some new skills. Look at improving areas in your life that you're already advanced in. But use your brain to pick up and learn new skills. And what you'll find in doing this is it's going to speed up that rewiring process, and you're going to find more joy and pleasure in doing those things. And the last thing, guys, if you're really going to rewire your brain, if you're really going to reboot your body, okay, reboot your mind, you got to move your body. Okay, this is where we talk about helping men through faith and fitness. Get a routine. You got to get movement on a daily basis. You got to build your central nervous system up. You got to build your muscles up. You got to train to elevate and drive your testosterone. Okay, these are all important parts of being a strong masculine male, but the carryover effect into actually your brain is turned on by the use by physical expenditure. Your brain is turned on by exercising on a daily basis. So daily walks, getting outside in nature, but doing hard physical things, stretching yourself. Okay, these are all important parts. So that's it, guys. We addressed helping you quit porn. We talked about that at the beginning of the video. We talked on the rewiring process from a more high-level perspective. We take it to a step deeper in the 7-step guide. So like I said, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to download our free ebook. But that's it, guys. I'm here to tell you that 2021, we are committed to helping 1,000 men personally through our coaching program. So we're going to continue to drop these videos on a daily basis. We're going to continue to bring you more experts, more guests, more content, more strategies, more tips. So if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel. But Frank Chris from Rebuilt Recovery, brother, I'm giving you the permission today to remove porn from your life forever in 2021. Finally step into the man that you were created to be. Frank Chris from Rebuilt Recovery. I'll see you guys on the other side.